and welcome to iHeart Fujita. Today guys, syempre same shirt, pasensya na, we did this in one go dahil sobrang dami at saka sobrang tagal. So this will be our Singapore haul, and what we'll do guys, we'll do it per place kung saan namin siya binili. We went to Orchard, Bugis, Universal, Marina, etc. etc. So, let's start with the haul. Guys, first off, we'll start with Bugis. So, syempre guys, you have to buy pasalubong, di ba? So, sa Bugis, we got these bag siya. Bale, cloth bag, canvas bag. And this one, apat for $10. SGD ha. So, these are the designs. So, this is bag number 1, bag number 2, number 3, and number 4. Also from Bugis guys, I got 3 wallets. And these guys would be 3 for $10 SGD again. So this one is the first design. It's London. And then this one is in Paris. Ito pala siya, ayun. This one is in Paris. And this one, Paris pa rin. Pero blue naman yung color niya. Guys, dun sa Bugis, mura siya. Para siyang, hindi naman divisoria kasi mas maliit. Pero ang daming stuff. May clothes, may accessories, may bags, may toys. Anything that you can think of, meron sila. But there is also another place which is Chinatown. Ganon din halos ang presyo. They have keychains and stuff like that. Pero sa Bugis guys, ganito siya. Pagdating nyo sa Bugis Station, ang itaas nun, Bugis Junction. Nandun yung mga high-end na mall. Okay? So, sa ibaba yung subway, sa taas, high-end na mall. Pag tumawid ka sa kabilang side, nandun na yung Tianggian part ng Bugis. And of course guys, tuwing nag-vacation kami, we always buy couple tea. Parang ganito. This one's from Hong Kong. So, we got this one from Bugis. This one is $10 each. Pareho kami, syempre. And this is the design. Alam nyo guys, maraming mura doon na t-shirts. Depende kasi sa design. Kapag medyo okay yung design mo, medyo mahal siya. Yun na nga, yung $10. Pero maraming design doon guys. You can get them for 2 for $10, 2 for 12, mga ganon. Iba-iba actually. And this is what our t-shirt looks like. Yan, ganyan siya. Syempre, heart pa rin. So, I'll give you a closer look. So, here it is. iHeart Singapore. And then, Lion City 1965. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Natuwa ko. Actually, guys, we are minimizing black shirts. Kasi alam niyo naman sa Philippines, di ba, napakainit. Kaya lang, the design talaga, nakuha niya ako talaga eh. Alam mo yung parang pagkakita ko sa kanya, ay nako, this is it pansit. The funny thing pa guys, ang nagpakita sa akin ng design na to, yung nagtitinda. Hindi ko siya actually nakita agad. Kaya, thank you ate. So, we're now done with Bugis. Let's go to Lucky Plaza. Guys, Lucky Plaza would be a mall just across, almost across Ion, parating ganon, paulit-ulit. Ion Orchard Mall. Malapit din siya. Ay, mas katapat siya ng Takashimaya Mall. Tapos guys, sa Lucky Plaza, doon kayo makakita ng mura din na souvenirs. Pero ang pinakamura sa kanila would be their chocolates. You guys look for Choc Spot or Choco Spot?
Choc Spot.
Yun. Paglabas ninyo, actually nasa labas siya mismo ng mall. You can't miss it guys. Kung ito yung pinto ng mall, may money changer dito, tapos siya na. Si Choc Spot na. So, we got this one. This one would be, of course, Ferrero. Ayan, sorry, baliktad. So, this one is Ferrero and this one is for $12 Singapore. Nung tinignan namin to sa duty free, this one is for $17 US. So, hindi actually, para sa akin, mas mura pa rin sa SG. Kasi, syempre, although magkaiba ang rate ng USD at saka SGD, pero hindi nagkakalayo ang rate nila. We also bought Toblerone, guys. This one is 6 for $12. Apat lang itong pinakita ko kasi kinain na ng lola ko yung dalawa. Wala na akong magawa, diba? So, syempre, our favorite would be dark chocolate and then yung regular.
Next up guys, this is minis na Toblerone. 2 for $10. Again, yung ordinary na flavor. And then,
Dark chocolate.
syempre, M&M's. Pero syempre, mas malaki to.
This one's bigger, guys. This one is $2. Ay, $2. 2 for $10 ulit. And of course, guys, sneakers pa rin. This one is, hindi ko na maalala, pero parang nasa $3 lang yata to. And guys, of course, pastels. Yan ang itsura niyan. Meron dito sa Philippines, I think. And then this one is in dark chocolate and this one is in mint dark chocolate. Favorite ko actually yung mint dark chocolate. So sabi ko, buy ako. This one is for $2 each yata to. I'm not sure anymore. Sorry, yeah, $2 each.
Next up guys, pretzels. Saltlets.
Saltlets. Kasi maliit siya. So, saltlet.
$2 each siya. $2 each siya. And na-miss ko lang yung lasa ng maalat na pretzels. Kaya bumili ako.
And last but not the least, guys, also from Lucky Plaza, would be these chocolates. Ito naman, binili namin hindi sa Choc Spot, pero sa loob. Pagpasok mo nung mall, makikita nyo na kaagad sila. This retails for $6 for $12. Ay, hindi. Sorry. This retails for $6 for $10. So, iba-iba yung flavors nila. And what we bought would be milk chocolate. Ito yung mga chocolate, guys, na merong Singapore na tourist spot. So, this one is the Marina Bay Sands.
Next one, syempre, yung iconic nilang Merlion.
This one is dark chocolate showing the skyline of Singapore. So, that's it. We actually got 12 pieces nito. Pampasalubong, syempre. And that's everything we got from Lucky Plaza. Next, of course, would be Universal Studios, guys! Nagpunta kami doon. Alam nyo, in a way, masaya ako, na-excite ako, pero I'm a bit disappointed because it's really small. It's just one big circle, guys, and that's it. Pero highly recommend talaga. Thank you. Shout out muna. Olga and Myra, thank you for recommending the Transformers na ride. Ay, guys. Super thumbs up. And of course, may makakalimot ba naman? Kung nagpumunta kami ng Disneyland, may t-shirt kami ng Mickey Mouse, syempre, kung pumunta kami ng USS, may t-shirt din kami ng USS. But this one is really cool. So guys, this is the design. This one is Optimus Prime right there. And the cool thing about this ay...
Ito. Kung nakikita niyo yan, kakaiba yung kulay niya, di ba? So, nagpapalit siya ng kulay pag naaarawan. It works the same way sa yung mga mugs na pag nainitan.
So guys, kapag madilim, pag gabi, black and white siya, which is this one. Pero once na the sun would hit the t-shirt, magkakaroon siya ng color. Like that. Magiging ganyan siya. So I find it so cool, kaya binili namin siya. And this one is for... And the shirts would be $38 each. Guys, yung t-shirts doon would vary. They actually have $19. Meron nga silang 2 for $19. Meron din 20, 26, 28. Depende yan kung anong design ang bibilhin mo. And of course, we have Garrett's Popcorn. This one is in chocolate.
And this one is...
Almond. Guys, hindi pa namin siya nabubuksan. We will try this right now. Sige, try natin. Bakit? So, I will try the chocolate for you guys. Let's see. Guys, hindi pipitsugan yung chocolate na ginamit nila. Ang harap.
Next one, ayan, literal na almond siya. May kasama siyang almond yung popcorn.
And guys, yung ganito kalaki, different sizes kasi siya. May small, may medium, may large. Tapos meron din sila in tin cans, yung bucket and 1 gallon na tawag nila. We got this one, this is medium, and this one is for $10 each.
Malalasahan mo talaga yung almond dahil buo-buo siya. Plus yung caramel ng popcorn. Coated talaga yung popcorn na mabuti.
Tapos guys, if you'll see, hindi kayo tinipid. Talagang ang lalaki ng almonds na nasa loob.
Kung gusto niyo makita yung prices ng popcorn, you can check yung video namin for day 3.
Day 3, yeah. Day 3 yata. Hindi na ako
Andun yung
sure.
prices nun.
And we also got something from Fair Price. Yun yung sinabi namin sa inyo na grocery na malapit sa hotel namin. This one, milk tray lang siya ng, what do you call this, ng Cadbury. So, syempre, nice lang tignan. At saka nice naman yung last nito. I'm so sure, hello, nakakaya naman sa Cadbury, diba? And this one is for $14.95. Tapos iba-iba yung flavor niya. Meron siyang Turkish Delight, Milk Chocolate Swirl. We have Strawberry Bliss, Caramel Desire. And then Peppermint Cream, Caramel Indulgence, Hazelnut Supreme, Hazelnut Whirl, and Praline Passion. So this, guys, will be all the flavors inside this milk tray. Now, let's go to Iron Orchard. Syempre, guys, sobrang swerte namin. Sale ang H&M doon, $10 each. Pero hindi lahat ng items selected lang. Unfortunately, yung design nila for men, it's not that great. So, walang nabili yung husband ko. Ako lang ang nakabili. I feel bad kasi feeling ko, ako lang talaga ang bumili ng damit. So, hello. Anyway guys, this is the first one that I got. Natuwa ako kasi yung parang Pocahontas like, o diba? Kakanta ko ng Have You Ever Heard the Wolf Cry? Tapos pagdating niya sa baba, meron din syempre mga tassels ni Pocahontas. Why not? And then the next shirt, also in gray. Ito naman, sobrang natuwa ako sa lips ni ate. I would have liked it better, syempre, kung red siya, or black, or blue. Kaya lang, pink lang yung available color, so I got this. It retails for $24.90, and sale siya. $10 lang nung time na yon. Ang nice. Sequins lang. Nothing fancy, nothing new. Pero ang ganda talaga ng ano niya, design niya, nakakatuwa. Parang Kylie lipstick, pero this one is kagatlabe. Siyempre naman, alam nating lahat, pag nandun ka na, ayan na, si Sephora. Maliit lang to, actually one item lang ang binili ko. I was a bit disappointed kasi nung nagpunta ako doon, I was gunning for the Bite gift set at saka yung Bare Minerals na gift set. Yun talaga yung nakatatak sa utak ko na I will buy. Unfortunately, wala. They don't carry Bite doon sa Sephora na napuntahan ko, and na-disappoint ako ng konti. Pero maraming gift sets na nando doon. They have the gift sets for Tarte and also from Too Faced and so much more brands. Kaya lang, since wala talaga yung gusto ko, so sabi ko, I'll buy something na lang na gusto ko rin, pero hindi kasing lakas ng tibok ng puso ko para doon sa Bite at saka sa Bare Minerals. So I got this one. This is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate. And this one is for... Sandali, Resebo. This is $39, guys. Alam ko meron nito sa Sephora PH, pero nandun na ako, so bumili na ako. And they have, so it comes in 4 shades, guys. We have Chocolate Honey, Chihuahua, Fig, and Lady Balls. Okay. Moving on. Next would be from Estee Lauder, and this one is actually a gift for my lola. I want to get her something, so alam ko naman na halos malawak ang lola ko para hanapin ang walang kamatayang Estee Lauder na loose powder. She's in medium. Ang catch kasi dito, what she wanted actually was the biggest size. This one is kind of small. Yung bigger size yan, talagang malaki yon, guys. And she got that sa US. Unfortunately, discontinued na. So, kahit daw sa US or sa SG o kahit saan pa man, hindi mo na makikita yung malaki. So, I got this one for her. This one is $62. Diba? Ang lit-lit lang pero $62. Kaya lang, she's really in dire need of this. Guys, if any of you know where we can buy yung malaki, please comment down below. My grandmother will appreciate it so much. Also, for my grandmother would be the Estee Lauder Pressed Powder. This one, guys, the packaging, it came with a box, tinanggal na namin. Parang medyo rubberized or rubbery yung texture ng feel nitong pouch niya, and it's white, so medyo madumihin. And this is, syempre, nag-glare lahat. O, ayan, kita nyo na yung baba, kita nyo yung gilid, o, diba, salamin na. So, this is how it looks like. Ito, guys, yung lalagyan ng compact. Tapos, you have to buy them separately, the compact and also the powder itself. This is the powder. So, tinanggal ko na rin yung powder dun sa box na kinabit ko na. Kasi, naaatat na yung lola kong gamitin to. Tapos, the best thing about this would be, ang laki nung salamin niya. As in full. Hindi siya yung part lang or partial. It's actually an advantage for us because my grandmother has macular degeneration sa eyes. So, nahihirapan na siya makakita. So, this one is really perfect for her. And because nasa makeup topic na tayo, let's go back to boogies, guys. So, first off, ay ang napakaliit na sample. Sample size, guys, when you buy something from Etude, may makukuha kayo. Siyempre, mas marami kayong mabibili, mas marami kayong makukuha. Kaya lang, I only bought what I wanted. So, eto na sila. Yan, my little nut collection. Guys, wala pa nito dito. Pero by the time na mapanood nyo to, baka nag-release na ang Etude House ng My Little Nut na collection nila for Christmas. And this one, etong binili ko, guys, they're all perfumes. Roll-on lahat siya na perfume. Tapos, iba't iba yung scents niya. Actually, guys, nagdadalawang isip na ako kung bibili pa ako ng marami. Kasi sabi nga niya, baka mamaya wala pa sa Pilipinas, so might as well buy na dito. Kaya lang, sabi ko sa kanya, yung packaging, yung ano kasi, yung variation, iba-ibang gift sets to, guys. yung mga nandoon na gift set, like for example, kunyari, isang bag, ang laman cushion, eyeshadow, and then mascara, or isang perfume, and then isang cheek blush, or meron silang mga Play 101, iba-iba. Unfortunately, hindi ko masyadong kailangan yung nandoon sa ibang packaging. Ito rin naman, hindi ko naman siya masyadong kailangan, pero natuwa talaga ako. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Kasi sabi ko, may I buy na. So guys, this is how it looks like. When you open it, pag ganyan lang siya, ang nice talaga ng ano. Guys, alam niyo, pagdating sa Korea, ang colorful talaga ng mga packaging nila. I mean, look at that. Diba? Hataw sa packaging, parang two-faced lang. And then, it's really small. Kung ito yung finger ko, guys. Ayan siya. Ganyan lang siya kalaki. So, it's really not that big. And then, ang scent niya, this one is... Uy, in fairness, ngayon ko lang nakita, it's Eau de Parfum. So, malakas ang amoy nito, guys. Mas malakas pa to sa Eau de Toilette. Mas concentrated yung formulation nung pabango itself. So, this red box comes with this perfume. And the pink box comes with this perfume. So, guys, if you'll notice, kung ano yung design ng nutcracker sa box, yun din ang design nung nasa perfume. And then, for the scent. Ayan, maliit na roll-on lang siya. Ay. This one is powdery, guys. The one in Periwinkle is powdery. And then, let's try the one in red box. This one is, it's very flowery. Parang orchid yung amoy niya. And this one is from the pink box. Ay, refreshing.
Sweet, fruity, white powdery, at saka floral musk.
Guys, I'm not sure with the name ha. Kasi sa back part niya, iba yung name. Tapos sa gilid part niya, right there, iba rin yung name. So, I'll tell you na lang guys kung yung nasa gilid niya. The Periwinkle is pure. This one is sweet. This one is My Little Nut. Next thing that I got from Etude House would be their very delicious lip tint. Nagustuhan ko yung shade nito kasi bagay siya when I swatched it. And this is how it looks like. Guys, meron ito dito sa atin, so you can check it out. Next would be Bath & Body Works from Takashimaya Mall. Guys, nagtataka kayo bakit ako bumili ng Bath & Body? Nagre-resell naman kami ito. This is our business. Kaya lang kasi everything sold out na sa amin, and my grandmother, naubusan siya. Hindi ko talaga siya nabili. Sorry naman, Lola. So, I got her, this one is 3 for 100. Buy 3, get 1 free. Sa US, buy 3 plus get 2. So, sa SG, free lang ay isa. It retails for $24 each. And I got her Snow-Kissed Sugar, Winterberry Wonder, Frosted Winter Woods, at may isa pa kaya lang ginagamit na niya, hindi ko na makuha. This one is Ben's Cookies. Sorry na wala asawa ko. This is Ben's Cookies. Guys, napaka-famous nito. And this one originally came from UK, pero meron silang branch sa Singapore. And according to my friend, Gardy, sa buong Asia, SG lang ang meron nito. And, of course, I'd like to thank Gardy so much. Thank you, friend. I love you. Libre niya tong binigay sa amin. Ganyan kalaki, guys. 15 pieces ang laman. Medyo may kamahalan. Nasa $30 to. Pero super sarap. So, what we got, papakita lang namin sa inyo what the cookies looks like. Guys, hindi ko to binili. Everything we bought with our own money except for this one. Ito, bigay ng friend ko.
Bawas na siya kasi kumain na kami.
Oo, sorry naman nagutom kami. Tao lang. Kayong judgmental. Sorry, ang gulo ng kamay namin. So, this is how the cookies look like. Yan. This one is milk chocolate. Ito yung white macadamia. This one is the dark chocolate. And of course, meron peanut butter. Guys, kung i-compare nyo siya sa Mrs. Fields, mas matamis ang Mrs. Fields. Ito hindi. Tapos sabi po ni Gardy, yung flour or yung dough na ginamit dito came from the UK pero binibake doon sa SG. So guys, hindi siya ganun katamis. Tapos sobrang rich nung ano niya. Hindi tinipid ang ingredients, guys. And then, how it tastes like would be, yung labas niya a bit crunchy pero super gooey inside. Super sarap nito. Again, thanks Gardy so much. Alam niyo ba, nilibre niya pa kami sa Makan Sutra. Inikot niya kami sa lahat ng pwede namin ikutan to the point na naninigas na yung paa ko, puputok ng appendix ko, pero sige pa rin ang lakad. To the point na nagreklamo na ako sa gagad na si Gardy. Sabi niya, pag nag-travel tayo, ayaw kong kasama ka dahil hindi ka makapaglakad. Kasi guys, talaga naman, ibang klase ang lakad doon. Pag vacation kami, if we go out of the country, sanay ako sa lakaran. Alam ko na yun given yun. Kailangan mong sulitin. Kung 5 days ka man, sulitin mo na. Kasi hindi ka naman parating nandun eh. Kaya lang, iba yung level talaga ng lakaran sa SG. Wala akong masay. So, Gardy, I cannot thank you enough. Paulit-ulit. I know nagsasawa ka na, but still, thank you. Hindi ko na-expect lahat ng tinulong at binigay mo sa amin nung nasa SG kami. So, guys, that's it for our Singapore haul. Hi! Thank you so much. Napagod talaga kami, guys, to be honest. Sobrang saya na SG. If you guys can go there, go. Guys, if you just want to know the difference between SG and Hong Kong, just in case you're planning to travel and you're thinking where to go, Hong Kong, maraming attractions. Punong-puno ng attractions and mas madali ang MRT nila. MTR ang tawag sa kanila. Mas madaling intindihin ang train station nila. Sa SG, hindi madali. Pero, pagdating sa attractions, hindi kasing dami ng Hong Kong. But, yung mga gusto mong bilhin na nasa ibang bansa, I think mas marami sa SG kesa sa Hong Kong.
Madali naman tandaan yung stations ng MRT at saka LRT dun sa Singapore. Susundin mo lang yung mga maps nila.
Hindi ako magaling sa maps. Techie siya, analog ako. Ganon talaga. So guys, again, thank you so much for watching and thank you for staying with us through this long haul. And please watch our SG vlog. Baka may matutunan kayo doon. Thank you sa lahat ng nagko-comment. Thank you sa lahat ng nanonood. And thank you sa lahat ng nagla-like. So again, from me and Jiro, Jane!